play, my nigga. Fuck around, going hard every damn day. What the fuck happened to my shit? Nigga, fuck all that shit. Nigga, you go transform off of some fucked up shit. Damn, nigga, you must have did love your bitch, my nigga. You know, but you probably really love your bitch. You probably the really twisted nigga say you didn't say that shit. You fuck around with me, nigga. You know I gotta tell you this, my nigga. Fuck around with me, you know I got my iron shit. You can't fuck with me, probably with me with that shit. Nigga, fuck with me. Nigga go so hard. Nigga, follow up with my R55 niggas never that. Nigga, we go hard, nigga. We gon' go everything, nigga. Word strip, nigga. T was in the DNA. I go so hard, red niggas no need. I don't play that, nigga. Fuck it all bullshit, nigga. They try to play that, nigga. T man is always the hot nigga, the hottest nigga. Fuck you think about anything else? You was a drama nigga. T, drama night. Nah, nigga. T, I'm like Dragon Knight. Fucking the bitches overnight, but nigga, I could bring it to any level. They see it right, nigga. T, little men and I fucking bet bitches every day. I got on my like my mom now. I finally got the teeth like her. That's the hard, and they soon gonna leave off of these niggas. They can't get me. These niggas is too awesome. No, they gonna date me false. They can't even understand how I be saying it, nigga. They wanted me to be really slapping shit. Only thing I do is to talk to myself, minding shit, minding my own business, nigga. My diamond shit, nigga. But fuck it, I gotta get my bitch on my shit. Well, damn, that's some crazy shit. That's how we both feel. There must be on some sign and shit. My niggas don't be playing with me, nigga. Don't be playing shit. My niggas gonna tell you, I sound like I'm a Philly, nigga. Why I gonna make it so happy? Cause they be playing with me, nigga. Why I gotta be doing this? Cause they laughing at me. Why I gotta be always talking like they cooking about me? My nigga Tilo, I'm cooking like a nigga in the kitchen. Remember my nigga, nigga, we sneaking, nigga, but talking on nigga, no, never that, nigga. You can't catch me, none of my enemies. They fell back, they come back, nigga. T-man, nigga, can't touch that, nigga. They can't even really move now, nigga. Tilo, man, and I'm smoking, I'm on the cool now. I don't know what niggas what to do now, but fuck it, I don't give a fuck what you trying to peace now. Your niggas more detectives up on their face now, nigga. Tilo, man, and my niggas know you and niggas, so nigga. Tilo, man, I can't think about that no more, my nigga. How you suffer pictures of niggas, they know my niggas, and niggas, they cannot see me, my nigga. That show is different, my nigga. That sort is different, my nigga. That show is different, nigga. T getting the money, it's no mission. What the fuck I be doing? I be listen, trying to listen. Any niggas, they fuck with my whole vision, nigga. Fuck with niggas. I don't care if you niggas see me, nigga. Think I'm fucking tearing up in your niggas hating, nigga. Wear a script, nigga. I don't play that bullshit. They try to think I'm snaking, we help no ranking, nigga. T, I learn every language of road racing. The master artist, nigga, the master kicking his roll faces. But nigga T in the kitchen, I'm cooking up with nigga T in the doctor speaking to the whole patient. Nigga T, listen, I'm in the motherfucking shit with the motherfucking shit on. Telling everybody they think of try to single me out, but they can't fit my mind, bro. Nigga, fuck this shit. Rap shit started in the real shit. Nigga, fuck niggas try to play with it with racks and brave day. Nigga T, man, still broke and then money quick. Nigga T, steak. They say I'm a snitch. No, nigga say scamming on bitch. Nigga, fucking nigga talking about real shit. Nigga, I'ma tell you how to get into the warfare. Nigga T, man, script. Nigga T shit. This is Aries remix. So that's smoking on real shit. Nigga, fucking the bullshit. I don't need to sound like Drake, but my nigga ran gang shit. Nigga, before faces. Nigga, I found like I was doing all the nature. Found out I was the nigga the whole time shit. They niggas, they hating on me, but nigga, they cannot do shit. The whole thing is about it. I learned from my niggas real shit. Nigga T, man, one nigga before real shit. Nigga T, man, was born before real shit. Word to me, nigga, you don't know about my real shit. Nigga T, that's some real shit. Man, fuck these niggas on some real shit. I don't know what they hate to take it into offense shit. I chill with my niggas that really know what I said shit. These niggas know fuck we ain't fucking up with that bullshit. Fuck you niggas hated on me, these niggas so pussy. Nigga can't even see me in the freestyle sound. Me nigga fucking with me, your niggas want some. You niggas know I don't take your flows. Your niggas got me stupid. Like script nigga T going hard. I'm like no wait, this is a whole loop. Nigga for script nigga you can't hold with me. The nigga Tilo I'm bored making it more baby. Me nigga script nigga Tilo I'm all crazy. These niggas try to warn me, nigga fuck you niggas. Nigga fuck me, nigga talking about me, nigga. I don't even know where you niggas wanna take offense. My nigga find a reason to do something for nothing, nigga. Your niggas is frontin', they ain't hitting and look at nothing. Nigga smoke a Gucci, your hot as fucking up, it's cussing. Nigga know I'm a Mac and Navy 23 cousin. Nigga scripting, nigga T, nigga. Ain't no touching, nigga T, nigga real script. Nigga fucking niggas, we got 30 niggas bullshit. Nigga, we got 500 niggas and they on real shit. Nigga, we got so many things that niggas saying in English. Nigga fucking niggas and fucking niggas saying shit. Word to me, I don't play with all this shit. Nigga script, nigga T, nigga. Nigga T, man.